Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I'm going to be making a lavender simple syrup. So just like any other simple syrup, we're going to use 2 parts water and 2 parts sugar. So I'm doing 2 cups of water and 2 cups of sugar. And then I'm going to add some dried lavender. It's about 1/4 cup. It's this little container that I got at the fancy grocery store. I couldn't get lavender at my regular grocery store. And you just want to let that simmer for about 10 minutes, and then you want to remove it. And it'll store in the fridge for 1 to 2 weeks, maybe longer because it's just water and sugar, but 1 to 2 weeks is safe. So this syrup is really great for coffees. You could use it in desserts. You can use it on all kinds of things. The only thing that I do want to mention is that you do need to strain the lavender out of the mixture. And then if you want it to have a purpley color, you need to add another dried ingredient. It's a dried flower called like a pea flower or something, but that's lavender simple syrup. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.